Hello, today we are going to talk about COUNTIF in Excel, which is very important when you're calculating sales. And our focus will be on AliExpress sales in Germany. There are a lot of it I'll be doing. AliExpress sales in Germany, sales in Austria, AliExpress sales in Kenya, and in the United States. This sales sheet one, our focus would be Germany, and the items just took some few items. One, you have fashion, which will be represented by F. You have the jewelry, represented by J, the telecoms, T, and homes, pets and homes. We just abbreviated it to homes, which is H. As you can also see, we have day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, and day 6. In these days, we have different sales. The most important aspect of it is how to do and calculate the COUNTIF. These numbers are just infix. You can type any number representing the sales of day 1 to day 6, as the case may be, and you can represent the items here. So here, this is our focus. This is the fashion, this is jewelry, this is telecom, and this is home. Here, the most important aspect of it is how to calculate the COUNTIF. How do we get to these numbers? This note. For you to get these numbers, you're going to do in Excel, you use formulas. You will do equal to count if and open a brace. What do we have here? You go up. Where does this start? This is cell C7. This is C, column C, row 7. That's why it's called C7. So it starts with C7. You go down, you go down. Sorry. You come here, equal to count if, open brace, C7. You use colon so that it can capture all of it. It goes down to C18. This is the 18, comma. You use quote. Since the first is fashion and is represented by F, you close the quote and close the brace, press enter. This is 4. It means the items here, they are just 4. Fashion represented by 4. You come to jewelry. Next one is jewelry. Use equal to count if, open brace, count if, open brace, C7, column, C18, comma, quotes, J, and close the brace, press enter. It means this is just 3. If you want to fill it, you use this. This is it. J, the 2 can be J. Since this one is telecom use what? This one uses T. You come here, change it to T. Change it to T. Exactly. Press enter. This is your. This is homes. This is homes. You change it to the word H. You press enter. So we have fashion 4, jewelry 3, and telecom 3, homes 2. So from here, it is very easy for you to calculate the total, which is equal to sum brace C21 to C24, C21 column C24. Enter. This is what you have as a sales. Now, next recording, we'll be doing calculating the days, the sum of sale of each day. And after that, we'll be culminating to linking all the size sheets, sheet 1, 2, 3, and 4 to 1, so that whatever you key in into 1, 3, and 4, it will just be represented in 1, and you have the summary of sales. Thank you.